Ready? Hello guys! Welcome to another kwento of the True Stories. So today, it's February 29 and it's a leap day. Nagkakaroon ng leap year every 4 years. Okay, so tonight, I'm planning to have a movie night for our family. Our movie night snacks would be pizza bread. So later on, I'll show you how to make it. See you later guys! Ulit. Ano ba ang papanoorin natin na movie?
Aladdin.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How about you, Kazia? What are you going to watch? Ako? Okay. Hi! Say hello! Say hi! Okay. Next, we're going to chop this bell pepper. So next is tomato. You can chop it as well. Actually, yung favorite namin talagang pizza, margarita pizza. Right? It's just cheese. Ow! It's just cheese and the tomatoes. It's very healthy. But this time, since we're going to have our movie night, yan, we'll have a lot of tomatoes. Here. This movie night is very exciting. Actually, this is our second time to make pizza bread. And tonight, ayun, mag-start na tayong gumawa ng pizza bread. Excited? Okay, so first, or pizza sauce.
Hey, baby.
Yan. You want to get my head? Tomato sauce, you just put whatever toppings you want. Actually, I would like to have this. Gusto ko tong kamatis. Yan. So, song, you can just have whatever you want. For kids, actually, they don't like to have bell pepper or kamatis. So, this one, the pineapple, is so nice too. Ako, prefer ko maglagay ng tomato. Last layer is cheese. Okay? It's nice. It is grated, pero medyo dikit-dikit yung mozzarella. It's mozzarella cheese. So, this is our snacks for our movie night. Yay! So, ito na yung nagawang pizza bread. So, iba-ibang toppings. Ngayon, nalagay ko na siya sa oven in 10 minutes for 200 degrees Celsius. So, it's preheated oven, okay? Lagyan siya. Ready! Kettle corn, sweet and salty. And we also have Butterlicious kettle corn, whole grain glazed. Actually, dapat mag-cook ako ng popcorn, pero para to save time na lang, bumili na lang ng ready-made. Next video! Yes, correct. Next video, pwede kami mag-pop ng corn! Yay! Movie night snacks are ready! We have popcorn and grape juice. Yes.
Wow.
Right? Come on down, stop on by, up a carpet and fly to another Arabian night.
Yay! We're going to eat the pizza bread na while watching movie.
Don't even get. You make it, don't just take.